Welcome back to Nelson's Wireless. If you're here, you're probably wondering if you really need Windows as your operating system. With so many alternatives available today, it might be time to consider if Windows is the best fit for your workflow, or if a different system could save you time, resources, and even boost performance. Think about it. How much time do you spend actually using what makes Windows? Well, Windows. Are you really gaming or editing videos for hours on end? Or are you mostly browsing, working on documents, and streaming? Because there are some really solid options out there that might surprise you, and you might even find yourself saving some money and headaches in the process. So, in this video, let's dive into 4 signs that you might not need Windows anymore, and I'll show you some useful alternatives you may want to explore. Okay, let's get right into it. The first sign you might not need Windows: you're living that web-based life. How much of your computer time is spent using installed software versus just a browser? Browsing, streaming, or using cloud tools like Google Workspace. Chrome OS is designed for browser-based users. With Google Drive and Docs, you're not tied to Windows. Chromebooks are lightweight and fast, even on older hardware. Alright, let's be real for a second. Many stick with Windows for certain software, big hitters like Microsoft Office or Adobe Creative Cloud. But if you use cloud-based or open source alternatives like LibreOffice or Google Workspace, you're not locked into Windows. Creatives, I hear you. Adobe works best on Windows or Mac OS, but Linux alternatives like GIMP or DaVinci Resolve are rising. Windows programs can run on Linux through Wine or VirtualBox. The software landscape is changing. You've got options now. Have you noticed that Windows has become a little bloated over the years? With each update, there's more stuff added, more features, more. Those features can slow down your workflow if you're not using them. But there are systems that focus purely on speed and simplicity, like Chrome OS or lightweight Linux distributions like Ubuntu or Linux Mint. Take Linux Mint, for example. It's known for being user-friendly and runs fast even on older hardware. You can breathe new life into an old Windows laptop with Chrome OS Flex. Let's talk about privacy and control over your data. Windows 10 and 11 collect a lot of telemetry data. Microsoft says it's for user experience, but the tracking is concerning. If you value privacy, Linux is a superior option. Linux distributions like Fedora or Debian let you customize everything. Plus, Linux offers regular security updates on your schedule. Tired of data collection? Linux is a refreshing alternative. So, those are 4 clear signs that you may not actually need Windows. If you're mostly web-based, don't rely on Windows exclusive software, prioritize speed and simplicity, or care about your privacy, it's worth exploring alternatives like Chrome OS or Linux. There's a whole world of operating systems out there, and it's exciting to see what they can offer. Whether it's a Chromebook, a Linux-based system, or just a lighter experience, you have options that might be a better fit for your needs. If this video helped you or got you thinking about making the switch, be sure to hit that like button, share this video with others, and subscribe for more tech tips from Nelson's Wireless. Stay awesome and blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.